This is a quick demo on how I use Multicam Logger to manually sync cameras in Premiere. So the first thing I do is open up the application and start logging. Then I pull out the camera and point it at the screen, making sure that the very first frame is the running timecode. Then I switch over to the ATEM software control and spam the spacebar. Then I let that camera run for a little bit to pick up some audio for syncing. And then I stop logging. Then I import the media. Then using the Multicam Logger software, I specified which clip goes for which camera. In this case, I selected it for both since it requires it, but I'm just going to delete that later. And then when you're exporting, I labeled it test 1, set all my settings, and then for angle synchronization, I click none because I'm not using timecode, and I'm going to do it manually, and then I save it. Next up, I open up Premiere and import the XML. It automatically brings in the camera clips. So test 1 is the name of my multicam sequence. And then for the multi-clip, I right click, scroll down a little bit, and click open in timeline. Otherwise it opens in the source monitor. So I delete the extra clip, and then I copy paste the starting time code, open up start time, and paste it there so that both sequences start at the same time. Then I look at the first frame of the recording, which is 04:11:10. Then I scrub through the timeline to find that point. Then I drag the clip and let it start there. Then I go back to the multicam and open it up in multicam view. Then I'm going left and right with the keyboard to see the red dot on the program feed moving around. So in this case, I thought it was 1 or 2 frames off, and I was just double checking. Sometimes it's not perfect. So as you can see up here, when I go left and right, it moves. And then when I have it lined up, what I'm going to do is take all of the other camera feeds and sync them to that master feed so that they'll all be lined up. Thanks for watching.